Hi, welcome back to Little Kodaks. Today we are going to be cleaning up this Instamatic 50 and showing you a little bit about it. You can see it is very oxidized all over the sides of this body of the camera. So what we're going to do is we'll clean it up. First, I'll tell you a little bit about the camera. It came out in 1963 and it was in production till about 1969. It has this dual contact hot shoe on the top. It was made in the United States, the UK, and Australia, although it was never sold in the United States. It will either say made in England or made in the USA, or it won't say anything there. If it was made in Australia, it would have a sticker on the inside. So although they made it in the United States, they shipped it overseas. It was actually marketed a few weeks before the Instamatic 100 was in the United States. So they marketed it over the UK a couple weeks before the 100 was marketed. It uses a little leaf for the shutter. I'll show you what that looks like. It has two settings. In the up position, it's for sun. In the down position, it is for the flash, which would slide onto this dual contact hot shoe. So that's pretty unique about this camera as related to most of the other Instamatic cameras. When it's set to sun, it's 1/40th. Set to flash, it's 1/90th. It uses 126 film, Kodak. It's good to go. Most of these cameras, you'll notice, don't have any kind of light seal, and the housing can be a little loose, and that's based solely on the design of the film cartridge. So this was meant to make the lightproof seal, so you didn't have to worry about that. Made the camera a little bit more less expensive. It has a 43mm f11 lens, and the first thing I'm going to do is take some alcohol and go over the whole camera and get the dirt off of it. So we'll start here on the front. So you can see it's still oxidized on the sides and the bottom here. I was using the alcohol to mainly clean all the dirt off. So I'll take a little paper towel and buff that up a little bit. Get any dust out of there. Okay. What we can do is take a little Q-tip and some fast cleaner. And just hit these guys. Be real careful not to scratch it. Right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to get all of this oxidation off. And I'll use a plastic restore. I'm going to hit all these and then go over them with a paper towel. And that should clear all that up. So let's give it a shot. Now if you look at this side, compared to this side, you can see that got almost all of that oxidation off of there. Alright, so let's finish up the rest. You can see that really brings these guys back to life. Alright, one side left. Okay, so I got all of that gross oxidation off of the sides and the bottom and brought this guy back to life. Okay, well, let's show you one more thing about this camera. Get the little flash on there and we'll see if we can get that working. I have this Hawkeye Instamatic flash holder that uses 2 AAA batteries, not included. This guy uses one of these little AG1 bulbs. People used to call these the peanuts because they're about the size of a peanut. It slides right in there. Our little safety shield that goes on there. Alright, let's load it with some batteries. Has a little screw here on the back. Back pops off. Shows me how to put those batteries in. The screw back on. Now, I think they called this the Hawkeye Instamatic flash holder because it also fits on the Hawkeye Instamatic camera, which was sold in the US, which also had this dual contact hot shoe. This guy slides on. You can see there's 2 pieces of metal there. And it looks like that. Okay, so let's wind the film. That used to be a little bit tighter, I believe. And when we depress the shutter, we get ourselves a flash. When you're done with the bulb, it has a little release here. And you can take that off, store it for later. And there it is. The Kodak Instamatic 50 camera. From 1963 to 1969. They sold this guy in the UK and Australia. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And until next time, have a great day.